Good morning, student. Today we are going to see some numericals on your CFSE. So first numerical, the crystal field splitting energy for hexaco titanium 3 plus complex is 20,000 100 centimeter inverse is given. Calculate field stabilization energy of complex. Now, first of all, we have to decide this complex is octahedral or tetrahedral or square planar. Since number of ligand is 6, it is a octahedral complex. Now in next case, central metal atom is titanium, so we know that titanium is equal to 22. We write electronic configuration of titanium, that is Ar 3d2 4s2. Now decide what is the charge present on titanium. How to calculate the charge on titanium? So just simply I have to calculate charge of titanium. I write x there, plus since there are total 6 number of ligand, so I write 6 here, multiply by water is a neutral ligand, because water don't have any charge, that's why it is multiplied by 0, that is charge on the ligand is 0, is equal to total charge on your complex. So x is equal to 3. So it simply means that titanium is present in 3 plus state. So titanium 3 plus is equal to Ar 3d1 4s0. So from here we know that there is only one electron present in your d orbital. So electronic configuration can be written as like this. This is the electronic configuration in isolated atom, and when ligands are approaches, these d orbital are split up into two set, that is Eg and T2g. Obviously this electron goes to lower energy state, that is set, that is T2g. So electron configuration can be written as T2 G1 Eg0. So formula of CFSE is CFSE is equal to minus into bracket 0.4 multiply by P minus 0.6 multiply by Q multiply by del octahedral, because it is the octahedral complex. So we know that in T2g orbital number of electron is 1, so 0.4 multiply by 1 minus 0.6 multiply by 0. Why here is 0? Because electron present in Eg orbital is 0, that's why here is 0, multiply by delta octahedral, del octahedral, that is given 20,000 100 centimeter. When we calculate, when this all calculation is solved, we come with minus 8,400 centimeter inverse. So field stabilization energy for hexaco titanium 3 plus complex is minus 8,400 centimeter inverse. Now in second problem, the crystal field splitting is for hexaco vanadium 3 plus is given, that is 19,950 centimeter inverse. And what is the expected value of crystal field splitting for its tetraaco complex that has tetrahedral geometry? We have to calculate. Now in this case, for since this crystal field splitting is given for this complex, this is the octahedral complex because presence of 6 ligand in the complex. So we know that, and we have to calculate crystal field splitting for tetrahedral geometry. So we know the relation, that is crystal field splitting for your tetrahedral complex is equal to 0.45 crystal field splitting of your octahedral complex. So 0.45 multiply by 19,950. If we solve this, we comes with the value 8,977.5 centimeter. This is the answer, that is this much amount of energy is a crystal field splitting energy is for your tetrahedral geometry. Now in a next numerical, the octahedral splitting energy for the ion, that is Na En by 3 2 plus is 11,850 centimeter is given. Calculate the value of CFSE for given complex in kilojoule per mole, neglecting the pairing energy. So in numerical they say that neglect the pair energy. So first we have to decide this complex is octahedral, tetrahedral or square planar. Make the note that En is bidentate complex. Since it is the bidentate complex and there is En is bidentate ligand, and since there is three bidentate ligand is present, this complex is basically a octahedral complex because En is bidentate ligand. Now we are going to calculate charge on nickel. So X plus 3 multiplied by En is a neutral complex, that by 0, and charge on the complex is equal to 2. So X is equal to 2. So nickel basically present in this complex in 2 plus state. So nickel is equal to, atomic number is 28, that is equal to Ar3d8 4s2. But in this complex nickel is present in 2 plus state. So nickel 2 is equal to Ar3d8. Now we are drawing rough CFSE diagram for this complex. This is the d orbital containing your 8 electron. In presence of ligand field, this is split up into two set, Eg set and T2g set. So obviously first electron goes to your T2g set and then goes to your Eg set. So electronic configuration is T2g6 Eg2. So CFSE is equal to minus 0.4 multiplied by P minus 0.6 multiplied by Q del O. So now see here, number of electron present in your T2g set is 6. So 0.4 is multiplied by 6, and number of electron present in your Eg set is 2. So 0.6 is multiplied by 2, multiply delta, multiply by 11,850 centimeter inverse. When we solve this, we comes with the value minus 14,220 centimeter inverse. Now 1 centimeter inverse is equal to 2.857 calorie mole inverse, or that is equal to 11.954 mole inverse, joule mole inverse. So directly we are going to multiply this value minus 14,220 with your 11.954. so after solving this, we comes with 1,69,985 joule mole inverse. Convert this value into kilojoule just by dividing 1000. So that is equal to minus 169.985 kilojoule mole inverse, that is approximately equal to minus 170 kilojoule mole inverse. Now in this numerical, calculate the crystal field stabilization energy for high spin and low spin octahedral complex of cobalt 3 with ammonia ligand. Given that pairing energy is 21,000 centimeter inverse and del O, that is CFSE for hexaamine cobalt 3 complex is 23,000 centimeter inverse. Now predict the spin state of the complex. It is very good numerical. It contains lot of concepts. So just see here. First we are going to write what information is given to us. The value of pairing energy is given, that is 21,000 centimeter inverse, which is written here. Also CFSE for octahedral complex, that is hexaamine cobalt 3 plus is given, that is 23,000 centimeter inverse. Now we have to calculate now cobalt atomic number is 27, so its electronic configuration is Ar3d7 4s2. Now we have to calculate what is the oxidation state of cobalt present in this complex. Now just see here, we have to calculate oxidation state of cobalt in this complex. So X plus 6 ligands are there, that's why 6 multiplied by charge on the ligand. Ammonia is basically a neutral ligand, that's why 0 is here, and overall charge on your complex, that is 3. So X is equal to 3. It simply means that your cobalt is present in 3 plus state. So cobalt 3, electronic configuration of cobalt 3 can be written as Ar, that is argon, 3d6, 4s0. It simply means that there is 6 electron present in your d orbital. Now for high spin complex, we are going to draw the diagram first. So this is the degenerated this is the d orbital of your metal, which contains 6 electron. These orbital are basically split up into two set, Eg set and T2G set. Now we are going to write electronic configuration for high spin complex. So first we have to fill electron in this way. First electron comes here, second goes here, third goes here, then fourth goes here, fifth goes here, because it is the high spin state, and lastly 6 electron come in your this T2G set. Don't go direct pairing on this, because it is the high spin complex. What is high spin complex? Such a complex which have maximum number of unpaired electron. If we are going to pair all these 2 electron here, so it is the electronic configuration of your low spin complex. So we have to draw diagram for your high spin complex. So student should make note. First fill first electron here, second here, third here, fourth goes to Eg set, fifth goes to Eg set, and then 6 come and pair here. Now CFSE is equal to, since mean pairing energy is given, so we have to consider this here. CFSE is equal to minus into bracket 0.4 multiplied by P minus 0.6 multiplied by Q multiplied by del CFSE of octahedral plus NP, where N is number of electron which are paired. Now important thing is, just see here, in T2G set there is a 4 electron, in Eg set there is 2 electron. So minus 0.4 multiplied by 4 minus 0.6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 23,000, this value is given, plus 0. Now student get confused, sir, there is a one pairing is occur. This is the natural pairing, it is not this pairing, it is not the effect of your ligand. It is important, if pairing occur due to the presence of ligand, then only this number is considered. N is equal to 0 here, because this is the natural pairing order, it is not paired due to the ligand. Okay, so in this case for high spin complex, P is pairing energy is 0. So when we solve this, we comes with 9200 centimeter inverse. Now for low spin complex, now what is a low spin complex? Which have minimum spin. So same, this is the electronic configuration of your D cobalt 3 plus in isolated state. In presence of ligand, it is get split up into Eg set and T2G set. Now since we are going to write low spin state electronic configuration, now here see that student should note this. First electron goes here, second goes here, and third goes here. Don't put electron in Eg orbital, because we are going to draw electronic configuration for low spin, that is minimum pairing, low spin, that is maximum pairing. So fourth come here, fifth come here, sixth come here. Student should not make a mistake. For low spin state, we should have to pair electron in your T2G orbital. Now just see here, CFSE is equal to minus 0.4 P minus 0.6 multiplied by Q del O plus NP. Now in this case, now student should note that there is 6 electrons are present in your T2G orbital and 0 electron is present in your Eg orbital. So 0.4 multiplied by 6 minus 0.6 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 23,000 plus. Now here is the important thing. Just see here, pairing energy is multiplied by 2, not with the 3. Why? Because in high spin state there is one pairing is already occur. So due to the effect of a ligand, this is the additional pairing which are taking place. So always remember that this N is stands for additional pairing due to the ligand effect. So due to the ligand effect, 2 electron are additionally get paired. So that's why here 2, don't make a mistake to write 3 here. This pairing is not occur due to the ligand effect. This 2 is basically occur due to the your ligand effect. So multiply N value is 2 multiplied by P. When we solve this, we comes with the value minus 13,200 centimeter inverse. If we see that the value for high spin complex and value of low spin complex, we know that we comes in a conclusion that the value for your low spin complex is low as compared to high spin complex. So that's why this state of complex is prepared while formation. So it simply means that low spin state is favored because value of CFSE in low spin state is less than the high spin state. So it simply means that your this hexaamine cobalt 3 plus basically forms low spin complex, not a high spin complex. Now calculate CFSE for your hexaecochromium 2 plus, for which 10 dq, this is the what, 10 dq is nothing but del O value is 12,600 centimeter and mean pairing energy is given 23,500 centimeter. So del octahedral, that is equivalent to 10 dq, which is equal to 12,600 centimeter. Pairing energy is 21,500 centimeter. So first we have to calculate what is the oxidation state of chromium in this complex. In this complex, oxidation state of chromium is 2. So chromium electronic atomic number is 24. So for chromium it is Ar3d4 4s2. In this complex, chromium present in 2 plus state, that's why Cr2 plus is written as Ar3d4 4s1. Number of d electron present here are 4. Now from given data we can directly write pairing energy value is greater than your CFSE value, that is del octahedral. Pairing energy value is greater than del octahedral. So it simply means that complex present in your high state, not in low state. Pairing energy is greater than your CFSE, it means that complex present in high state. So electronic configuration after splitting can be write as T2G31 Eg1. So P here, number of electron in T2G orbital is 3, Q is 1 and N is 0. There is no pairing. So CFSE for high spin complex there is no pairing. So CFSE is equal to minus into bracket 0.4 multiplied by P minus 0.6 multiplied by Q del O plus NP. There, since for high spin complex there is no pairing, so N is equal to 0. So this part is overall 0. And when we solve this all this equation, we comes with minus 7,560 centimeter. That is CFSE for hexaecochromium 2 plus complex is minus 7,560 centimeter. Thank you very much. In next class we are going to discuss magnetic properties of complexes. Thank you very much.